This topic is polynomials exercise 4.5. Eighth main is factorize each of the following. They have given 5 questions. We are going to do 3 on the board. Remaining 2 is your homework. First one they have given here 8aq plus bq plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. But we know the formula of a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b they given. But here this right hand side they have given, we have to find the left hand side formula. But here they given 8a cube place, like a cube we have to write. So this one we can write as 2a the whole cube plus b cube place b cube only is there, so we can write plus in both what is common, 12 means we have 6 into 2 12, so we have in both also 6. Then a we have in both also, then we have b in both also common. So when we take this everything out, it will become here 2 a we have taken, remaining one more a will be there, plus here 6 we took, a and b we took, so it will become only 1b will be there inside. Therefore here 2aq plus bq plus here like 3ab we will write as formula. So that 3a place we have here 2a b place b we should write. Then here we have 2a plus b. This is sacrificing a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Where a place we have 2a, a place we have 2a, b place we have b only. Therefore is equal to a plus b the whole cube. Therefore this full equal to 2a plus b the whole cube. So we have taken right hand side and proved left hand side as what? 8th sum, second question, 8aq minus bq minus 12a square b plus 6ab square they given. We know the formula a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b formula. Here 8a cube, as a cube we have to convert here. So 8a cube, 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, so that 2a the whole cube we can write, and b cube as b cube only, so it is minus, we have minus b. In both we have 6ab, minus we have taken because minus into plus minus, so 6 2s are 12, a into a square, b we have to write. Now I am going to write in this minus, minus into minus plus 6ab into b square, 6ab square. Then we have here 2a the whole cube b cube minus this 6ab we are going to write as 3ab format. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. Then a place we have kept here 2a, that's why inside I have written 2a as a place. Then b we can write like that only. This is 2a minus b, because our formula is like that. Then where a place we have 2a, b place we have b. So our formula is a minus b the whole cube. Therefore 2a minus b the whole cube we can write in this. Third question, they given 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square they given. This is also like a minus b the whole cube formula we have to substitute. So 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we can write as 3 cube minus 125 is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So we can write this as 5a the whole cube minus, here we have 45 into 3. 45 3s are 135. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. I will write like that. This as 45 into 5 times. We have 225, and a square I have written like that only. So this one now as 3 cube minus 5 a the whole cube minus both we have 45 and a also we have. So we will take common as 45a. Then remaining it will be here 3 plus here we will get 5a. 1a we have taken out, remaining it will become 1 more a. So now we have to take 3 cube as a cube minus 5a the whole cube is like b cube. So we should write here 5a the whole cube minus 45a we should write as 3ab. So here 3 in a place what we have kept here, it is 3a. B means what we have, 5a. Then we should multiply and check. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 into a, 45a into 3 plus 5a. Here a place, because a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is a cube plus 3 cube minus b cube plus 5a the whole cube minus 3ab plus 3ab and a minus b plus. Sorry, here minus should come, then only minus into minus plus will be there. When we are taking common out, we are taking minus also including, then only minus into minus plus will be there. Then here a place 3 minus b place we have 5a the whole cube we should write.